Anyway,
मैम वो तो
yeah, so let's not waste our time because this is your second last perhaps online class. Okay, I'm going to share a screen with you and question based on direct and indirect speech narration. You have to select the best option and I will give you, there will be time limitation. Fine, children? So time limitation you all have to follow. Very quickly, I'm going to scroll the answers, questions, sorry, first of all, and you have to be vigilant, active. So let's now sit with your pen and paper and start the work. Screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Question number 21. 1 minute. So many. Finish, children. Okay, so now let's see the answers. Let's begin with the sentence. Mana asked Rohan, have you sat in a trolley bus before? Tell me the correct answer.
Ma'am B.
Mana asked Rohan, have you sat in a trolley bus before? Mana asked Rohan, had he sat in a trolley bus earlier? But the answer will be no. Listen, I don't go with any of the options. I think so. Leave the correct answer will be. Who will give me correct answer? Tell me. Fine.
Ma'am B.
No,
Ma'am
no,
B.
no. It is not here. Options are wrong. Incorrect. Manna asked Rohan if he had sat. Have you? If he had sat in a trolley bus earlier. Write down. Don't go with any of the options. If these type of options will be there, you will get benefit of doubt. Have you sat? Have is what? An auxiliary verb. So when an auxiliary, if a sentence, interrogative sentence starts with auxiliary verb, we connect the reporting verb and reported speech with if or whether. Okay, so the answer will be Manna asked Rohan if he had, and then had he to galat ho jayega because we have to change interrogative sentence into assertive. भूल क्यों जा रहे हो? ऑप्शन इज इनकरेक्ट, इसीलिए मैंने बताया. दैट्स व्हाई आई सेलेक्टेड कि लेट मी सी. आंसर विल बी नो ऑप्शन फ्रॉम दिस, बट द आंसर इज Manna asked Rohan if he had sat in a trolley bus earlier. बात समझ रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
So no option. These type of mistakes, ये तो भाई बोर्ड कॉपीज है ना ये, मतलब सॉरी ऑनलाइन है तो. Now come to the next. Farhan asked Geeta, could you lend me 100 rupees until tomorrow?
I'm option
Ma'am
B.
B. Ma'am B.
Okay, let me find out. इससे नहीं मुझे मतलब है, but Farhan asked Geeta whether she could lend him 100 rupees until the next day. Yes, this is correct. Farhan asked Geeta whether she could lend him 100 rupees until the next day. So put a correct sign. What about going for swim? He said, it's quite fine now.
Ma'am C. He suggested going.
Ma'am A.
Ma'am C.
He asked me what about going for, as it was quite fine then. ठीक है.
Ma'am C.
Yes. He asked me what about going. What about है तो पता है ना, if the question is sentence, interrogative sentence starts with WH words, then what do? We use that particular WH word as a connector. So he asked me what about going for a swim, as it was quite fine. Noun बदल जाएगा then में. So C गलत है हरे राम. He suggested going for a swim. No. ऐसे grammatically sentence are correct, लेकिन when we are going to change from direct to indirect, then it is incorrect. So be careful हरे राम. देखो हड़बड़ी से काम नहीं होता है. You can't bathe in this sea, he said to me. It's very rough.
MC, he said that I couldn't bath in that sea as it was very tough.
He said that I couldn't bathe, not bath, bathe in that sea. This, that में बदल गया. As it is, मतलब it was ये कौन है? आदर्श कुमार. As it was very rough. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. I couldn't bathe.
हरा हरा प्लांट जम जाएगा, तो जानवर जो अंदर वो डेथ कर जाएंगे, मर जाएंगे। तो यही कारण है कि इस रासायनिक खाद और केमिकल का प्रयोग जितना
Adarsh Kumar. Visu said, we passed by a beautiful lake when we went on a trip to Goa.
मैम ए.
Option A, ma'am.
मैम ए.
Ma'am, option C.
Visu said that they had passed by a beautiful lake. सुनो, अब यहाँ पे हरे राम and rest of you जिसने भी ऑप्शन ए बोला, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. और हरे राम तुम्हारा सारा गलत हो रहा है नरेशन. So be careful. We passed. It is a simple past sentence. Simple past changes into past perfect. Means subject plus V2 changes into subject plus had plus V3. So the correct answer is Visu said that they had passed by a beautiful lake when they had gone on a trip to Goa. Okay. Be careful, my dear children. You are still making mistakes. He said to me, I expect you to attend the function.
A.
Ma'am, both B and D.
A.
मैम both
मैम
B.
Ma'am,
ए.
option A.
मैम ए. मैम
Okay,
ए.
okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
He
A.
told me, said to me. जब said to me होता है subject and object, तो said to change हो जाता है told में. याद है ना? तो चलो ये हो गया. He told me that he had expected. I expect. He expected. नहीं, A तो नहीं होगा. He told me that he expected me to attend the function. He told me that he expected me to attend the option B is the correct answer. He told me that he expected me to attend the function. Oh, sorry, it B में तो attended है. He told me that he expected me to attend. Option D. So the right answer is option D. He told me that he expected me to attend the function. What is the correct answer? Option D.
Okay,
A
ma'am.
नहीं. रीजन देखो, आंसर मत देखो, वो तो मैं ऐसे ही ऑन कर दे रही हूँ. He said, why didn't you send your application to me? Haha. Come on, tell me.
A. Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, A.
मैम ए. मैम ए.
Okay, okay. He inquired. चलो यहाँ सही दिया. He inquired why I had didn't क्या है? Simple past changes into past perfect.
Past
वैसे भी
perfect.
मैंने बताया था do does
Past
change
perfect.
into did and did had. So why I had not sent my application to him. Good. Dinesh asked, are you going to the party tomorrow, Rani?
Ma'am, option C.
मैम सी.
Dinesh asked Rani whether she was going to the party the next day. Very good. Answer she. Chalo. How long will it take to travel for Germany to South Africa?
मैम
Ma'am,
सी.
option D.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am, option
C.
B.
Suresh asked how long, 1 minute, it would
Ma'am,
take
C.
to travel from Germany to South Africa. Suresh asked how long would it, no, B to wrong hai. Suresh asked how long it would take to travel from, option C is the correct answer.
Yes,
Option,
ma'am.
yes, she is the correct answer. What did you see at the South Pole? Ashok asked Anil.
मैम B.
Ma'am,
Ashok
B.
asked Anil why,
Option
what
B.
he had seen. Yes, correct,
B.
मैम बी.
correct. Ashok asked Anil what he has seen at the South Pole. Chalo. My father said to us, we should study and get a good division in the examination.
Ma'am
Ma'am,
D.
option C.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am D.
My father told us that we should study and get a good division in the examination. Oh, एक second. Option C, my father told us that we should study and get a good division in the examination. Yes. If you don't keep quiet, I shall shoot you, he said to her in a calm voice.
Ma'am, option C.
He
Ma'am,
warned her
C.
calmly that he would shoot her. Yes, if she didn't
Ma'am,
keep
option C.
quiet. Very good. Correct. He warned her calmly that he would shoot her if she didn't keep quiet. बाप रे. I told him that he was not working hard. अब यहाँ पे देखो opposite है.
Ma'am, option A.
I said to him, you are not working hard. He is not. हाँ. He is
Ma'am,
not
A.
working. हाँ, you are not working hard. चलो ठीक है. This is correct. My father ordered him to go to his room and study.
Option A.
Ma'am A.
Go to your room and his father said to him,
Ma'am A.
go study. Go to his
B.
room. Go to your room and study. Father said, हाँ B, नहीं, go to your room. Go to
Ma'am,
his
A.
room. A is correct. A is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
He said to his father, please increase my pocket money.
Ma'am B.
C.
Mhm.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am,
C,
C.
he
He
requested
requested
his
his father.
father
Yes,
to
ma'am.
increase his, please नहीं लगेगा. हरे राम, wipe, please remove हो जाएगा. He requested, request हो गया मतलब it is a please. So he requested his father to increase his pocket money. That is the correct answer. Option C. वही होना भी चाहिए. Yes. Okay, now let's come to the next set of questions. She said that her brother was getting married.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
A.
C.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am C.
My brother is getting married. She said, my brother is getting married. Okay. The boy said, who dare call you a thief?
Ma'am, option A.
The
Ma'am
boy
A.
inquired who dared call him a thief. Yes, correct answer. She exclaimed with sorrow that was a miserable plight.
Ma'am.
ये तो clear है.
Ma'am, D.
हाँ, this
Ma'am
is
D.
clear. What a miserable plight. Dhruv said that he was sick and tired of working for that company.
Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am option C.
Dhruv said that he was, I'm sick and tired of working for this company. Option A, Dhruv said, I'm sick and tired of working for this company. Okay. हाँ, option A is the correct. Object कहाँ है इसमें? Dhruv said
Yes,
that he
ma'am,
was.
object नहीं.
हाँ, तो object नहीं है, तो option A is the correct answer. I'm sick and tired of company. कुछ भी बोल देना है. देखो तो पहले सही. देखो, the best way. 1 minute. Let me tell you. Are you alone, my son? Asked a soft voice close behind him.
Ma'am, option
Yeah.
D. A
A
soft
soft-
voice behind me asked
हाँ.
if I was alone.
Ma'am, D.
Option D.
Ma'am,
A
D.
soft voice behind me asked if I was alone. Asked if I was alone. A soft voice behind me. From my back भी चलेगा. But a soft voice behind me asked if I was alone. Option D is correct. Option D is the correct answer. Now listen, children. The best way to find out correct answer is, you know what? What is the best way? Who will tell me? First of all, answer the question on your own. And thereafter, try to match your answer with the 4 options. Okay? That is the best way. कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स में भी लोग यही करते हैं। मैथ्स का सॉल्व कैसे करते हो? हाउ यू सॉल्व योर मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम?